Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos, because how else y'all gonna see me? If you did something that you would like to see, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to clear out everything. I'm folding up my towel and I'm about to start cleaning off my desk and putting everything back in place and just straighten up that little area over there. What's up YouTube? How have y'all been? How did you guys like my Halloween intro? So now I'm just about to clean off my mirror. I'm using a spray away glass cleaner. And now I'm just clearing everything off the desk so I can wipe the desk down. And now I'm just putting the stuff back. Here I'm just trying to figure out me a little floor arrangement for my room and just trying to figure out how I'm going to piece some of my fall decor. So now I'm just about to fold up some laundry, something that I've been neglecting for a few days. Also, by this being the month of October, I have a few ideas for content for you guys for this month. So y'all please stay tuned for that. So now I'm about to just make up my bed. And I have this quilt that I got for my birthday, this white quilt right here. And so it's kind of thin and I'm just adding it on top of my cover that I already have to make it look a little thicker. over here, I just added a few fall touches to bring everything together. So this is the room reveal for my fall little touches that I did for my room. It's not much. I just added a little bit of fall touches. I also added those 2 pillows, and I added that throw to bring some warmth in my room. And I will be getting a new desk pretty soon because I want everything to kind of flow. I feel like that black is a little harsh with too much black over there in that corner. I also added this terracotta little vase, and I just put some of those Dollar Tree flowers, and I just added this pumpkin over here, and this is part of my little floral arrangement that I did. This is just a little bit of decor I put in the bathroom. I just put this green pumpkin in here, and I just put that little flower arrangement, and I had cleaned the bathroom. Yeah, clean the bathroom. Hey y'all. So I swept, mop, and everything. I had washed my what you call these rugs. I washed my rugs, and that's just a little bit I put in here. Nothing much because I have a small bathroom, and less is more. So yeah, that's what I did. Just a little simple pumpkin and flower arrangement. That's it. I'm about to start doing the kitchen, and just got a few stuff I got to do in the kitchen. Not too much of cleaning, and then I will start the decorating process, and then this video will finally over. Okay y'all, we are now in the kitchen, and this is just what my kitchen looking like before I start to clean and decorate it. Now I'm just running my dishwater, about to wash me a few dishes and put some away. At this point, I decided to throw away some old dishes and rearrange my cabinets. now I'm just taking everything off my tier tray because I'm about to start decorating it. So now over here I'm just wiping down my stove and I'm wiping the counters off, and I'm about to start styling the little decorations I'm gonna do over here. I added some Reese's to that jar. I also started on my floral arrangement, and now I'm just about to place some pumpkins over there. I also added those dish towels on the stove. It's a plaid one with a pumpkin up there, and the other one is a leaf one. And I added those 2 rugs that I've been saving those for my kitchen, but why not go ahead and use them? So now I'm just about to do the little table arrangement. It's not much. I'm just wiping the table down, and I'm about to start putting the flowers in that jar, or that vase, and I'm gonna add a few pumpkins to that. Well, that wraps up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything I have said or did in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put out new videos.